When you plugged in your ST215C controller, takes its power from the kiln, but underneath here there is an on-off switch for the controller. So if you press that on, it will light up. It also has a wall holder bracket so that you can actually put it on the wall and slide that in. The controller itself will read the ambient temperature of the kiln, and when you press the right hand arrow on there, it will display the program number that you want to start. To change that, you just press up or down or back if you go too far. Then if you press it again, you'll have the first setting of degrees per hour to any given set point, and again you can change that up or down. Then you have a target temperature. Again, you can go up or down until you choose the target temperature that you want. And then you have the option of a hold there. And always make sure that if it's minutes, it's point and whatever minutes you need. And if it's an hour, it's 1 point. Then when that is in there, you can move to the next segment, or you can move down and say end. And it's important that you put in the end when you've finished programming your controller, because if you don't, it will just move on to the next segment that's actually stored in the controller. So it needs to say end after you put in your program. There are preset programs already in there in your manual. Obviously, if they suit the type of wear that you're doing, that's fine. And when you've got the program that you want, you just press the triangle square, which is your start stop button. And that gives you the option for a delay time. And you can move that up again or down, and then it will start and count backwards until it reaches 0, and then we'll start your program. And in the bottom here, it will say which segments of the program you're on. And in the top here, it will always show you the temperature in the kiln going up and down. If you need to stop the program, you just press stop on there. Okay? But those programs will be stored in the memory of the controller every time you fire your kiln.